Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the storage tray for the central console box in Lexus GX550. The way it works is you put it inside and it will split the box into two different compartments. So on the bottom you can have the items that you use less frequently, and on top you can put items that you use more often. The tray itself consists of three different sections. We have the large one and two smaller ones, and I'll show you how much stuff it can fit. So you can easily put the phone in here with the thick case. You can put your wallet, for example, and the cover will still close. Besides that, you can put, for example, your wireless headphones and dental floss in the small one. This will give you an idea how much stuff you can fit. If you need to remove this cover, there is a small slot in the back which will allow you to remove it easily. Besides that, we have rubber mats which will prevent the items from sliding, and besides that you can easily remove them and wash them. You can do it to each of the mat. One thing to keep in mind is that this tray will only work with the vehicles that don't have the cooler inside the central console storage box. If you do have it, you will need a smaller one. Overall, it's a great product in our opinion. It will help you to organize the items in your storage box. If you are interested, we will leave you a link in the description. We will also leave you a link in the description for the smaller one as well. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.